I'm covering two words, your and your. Now these words sound exactly the same, but they have completely different meanings. And if you are at all confused about how to use these two words in a sentence, please keep watching, because I'm going to cover these words in sentences. I'm going to cover their meanings so there is no more confusion. Hello again. So the first word that we will look at is your, spelled Y-O-U-R. So the meaning of this word is to do with ownership. And it's a very simple word. If I was speaking to you about something that you owned, say if you owned a white car, I would look at you and I would say to you, your white car is fast. Or I might say, your dog is a lovely dog. But I'm speaking to you about what you own. So a little bit more on this, on its meaning. You are talking to someone and referring to what they own. So I've drawn a little picture here, and you have somebody speaking to this person and they have a red flower. So this person would say to the person with the red flower, they might say, how are you today? I really like your red flower. So it's to do with what somebody owns. So in the next few lessons, I'll be covering the other meaning of your, and we'll be doing sentences with these two words. I'll see you shortly. Hello again. The next word I'm covering is the word your, but it's spelled Y-O-U''re. And this is actually two words. It's you are, and it has the A removed, and it's made into a shortened word with the apostrophe replacing the letter A. So what I will do is I'll go over what the words you and are mean. So if you're looking at the word you, it is the person you are speaking to. So imagine if I was speaking to you and I would say, you are beautiful, or you are very smart. Because when I use this word, even if it's used in the shortened way or in this way, I am still speaking to you. Now the second part is the word are, and are means existing right now. So if I say to you, you are happy. So this person is saying to this person, you are happy. So right now, this person is existing right now and they are happy. So you would say you are happy. So instead of writing you are, you write your, which is spelled this way. Y-O-U''re. Now in the next few videos, we're covering both spellings of the two words your, and we're going to cover them in sentences. We're going to have a little activity where you have to fill in the space with the right your. So stay tuned and I'll see you in a moment. Hello again. Let's look at some sentences with the word your, spelt Y-O-U-R. So remember what your means when it's spelt like this. To do with ownership. You are talking to someone and referring to what they own. So let's look at the first sentence. Can we please have the party at your house? So you're referring to what they own, which is their house. So you would use the word your spelt like this. your house. Next sentence. Maybe you have a friend and they have a garden and they have pretty flowers in it. So you might say directly to them, I love your flowers in your garden. So we once again use the spelling of this your. I love your flowers in your garden. And the last sentence, we will use your money to pay for the holiday. So you might have a friend that's extremely rich and you just want them to pay for the holiday. So you would say to them that you want to use their money. But you would say directly to them, we will use your money. So we put the word in your here. We will use your money to pay for the holiday. Hello again. Let's cover the other word that sounds like your and is spelled Y-O-U''re. Now let's just revise what this word means. It is a shorter way of writing you are. So you'll have this word you, the person you are speaking to, and the word are means existing right now. So let's just look at these sentences and let's understand that the spelling of this word goes into these sentences. Let's begin. The first sentence. I am cleaning the house and you're going to help me. So this is speaking to somebody. You're cleaning the house and you want them to help you. So you're going to say to them, I am cleaning the house and you are going to help me. So instead of writing you are, you'll write it like this, Y-O-U''re. So let's just write that in here. I am cleaning the house and you're going to help me. You always know whether you use this word or Y-O-U-R, because if you are can fit into here, you use it spelled this way. I hope I made that clear and not confusing, because if you can put you are into this space, I'm cleaning the house and you are going to help me, it's this spelling. It's not the spelling that looks like this. It's not that spelling. If you can put you are in this spot. Okay, the next sentence. You just won the lotto and you're now a millionaire. So the way, the word that you would write here, once again, is your. Now, if you can put you are in there, it's this spelling. So you just won the lotto and you are now a millionaire. So you can have you are or your. You just won the lotto and you're now a millionaire. Let's do the next sentence. You're studying English to learn how to speak with confidence. So this word here is Y-O-U''re, which is these two words here shortened. So you are studying English to learn how to speak with confidence. So you can use the you're spelled this way. You're studying English to learn how to speak with confidence. Now in the next video, I'm covering the word your, Y-O-U-R, and this word having a variety of sentences, and we have to pick which one fits. So I'll see you in the next video. Hello again, and welcome back to my English lesson. So I've got some sentences here on the board, and we have to decide whether we use this your or this your in each sentence. So let's just start with the first one. I want to eat your food because it tastes so nice. So this is what somebody owns. So if I said to you, I want to eat your food, you own the food. Therefore, it is this word here. I want to eat your food. And we know it's not the other word for a few reasons. This word here, your, is short for you are. And we know it doesn't go in here because if we were to say, I want to eat you are food because it tastes so nice, that's another way of you knowing that this word does not go here. That's just a little trick that I do. It's a way for you to know. Anyway, let's move on to the next sentence. We know that you're smart because you got an A on your report card. So if I'm talking directly to you about you getting an A on your report card, I'm talking to you. So we're looking at this word here. We know that you're smart because you got an A on your report card. And you can also try to put the words in you are. And you'll know if this is right if you are fits as well. We know that you are smart because you got an A on your report card. So this is definitely the correct word that goes into this sentence. Now the next sentence. Your new car cost you $60,000. So we are talking to somebody about what they own. So we use this word, your new car. So we'll just put that here. Because this is what they own. Your new car cost you $60,000. The next sentence. Can I borrow your blender? Now you're talking about what somebody owns again. You're talking about their blender. So we'll put your blender because this is the your word that means ownership. Now let's go to the next sentence. People like you because you're such a nice person. Now I'm saying this directly to you. People like you because you're such a nice person. So it is actually the spelling of this word here. And once again, you'll know that it's the right word because you can put the words you are in there. People like you because you are such a nice person. And now the last one. You're the only one to brush your teeth. So this is also where you could put you are. You are the only one to brush your teeth. So this is the correct word because you can put either this word or you are in this spot. You're the only one to brush your teeth. I hope all these lessons on your and your spelled the two different ways have helped, and I will see you in the next video.